Hello YouTubers, today I got in front of me, I'm going to be going over functions of the JC tool. This is a V1S 4 all-in-one programmer. So this programs anywhere from the touch IDs, reading the serial numbers and stuff like that, and the batteries, on all the batteries. So you can program the original serial number back to the aftermarket battery or to another iPhone original Apple battery. Then also we got this programs the vibrate and touch for all the newer phones too, for taptic engine feedback and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go over just showing how it reads the serial numbers on the touch IDs. So if we connect one here, this is a 5 right here, this is a black one. And there we go. You can see we got the serial number there. We got read. So there it is, it's red. Now if we want to program it to another one, we can. So you can see that one ends in DE97. So we take that off. We can connect the other one. Oops. Yeah, if I can connect it all the way. Instead of just sitting on their top. Alright, and you can see that this one is ending in 7C18. And then what would you do is you'd hit right here if you wanted to write that other touch ID over to that one, so you have a working touch ID. So pretty awesome tool here, reading the serial numbers off the taptic feedback and the touch IDs and programming them, so the taptic feedback and the batteries. So a pretty nice tool. You can just remove these carefully. I don't really like the design of this board thing, how they got this set up. I guess it works. I mean, notice this is plastic, so that's gonna wear out. Get all scratched up pretty easy, but pretty decent display. And what you gotta do is you gotta put your own battery in here. So if I can get it open, which I can. Yeah, I already have the battery in there. Yeah, whatever, I can't get the battery. But the cover, you take this, slide this cover off, and you put a 6S battery in there because it doesn't ship with one, which is pretty cool. I would have rather had that feature, the battery operated feature on this, the TriStar tester. But yeah, just a little simple video showing the functions of what this does. Obviously I have other videos of programming batteries and screens, so there's really no need to be going over that, but just wanted to go over the fingerprint reading and stuff like that. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.